Hello and welcome to the video lecture of the chapter Physiographic Divisions of India. In this chapter we will see India is divided physically in what parts. We will see how many parts of India on the basis of physical division or on the basis of relief. So let us see. Relief and physical divisions of India. On the basis of the relief features, India can be divided into following physical divisions. So on the basis of relief, that is on the basis of color, means relief means basically we can divide on the basis of color. We can separate every part of India on the basis of color. So that is what relief is. So on the basis of relief, India can be divided into these 6 parts. First part is Himalayan mountain, second is northern plains, third is peninsular plateau, fourth is coastal plain, fifth is the great Indian desert, sixth is the islands. Okay, so let us read about the Himalayan first. Alright. So Himalayan mountains. These young fold mountains stretch from Kashmir in west to Assam in the east and form an arc. They are about 2,400 km long and 150 to 450 km wide. The Himalayan are known as young fold mountains because they were formed comparatively recently in the Earth's history as a result of compression. They stretch from Indus River in the west to the Brahmaputra river in the east. The altitude variation is greater in the eastern half than those in the western half. The Himalayan consists of 3 parallel ranges. So it says that Himalayan mountains are basically fold mountain, and they are young mountain because they were formed recently, and they were formed due to compression, and they stretch from Indus river in the west to the Brahmaputra river in the east. We will see this in the map in the next slide. So, and they form 3 mountain ranges. Himalayas have 3 mountain ranges. The first one is Himadri or Great or Inner Himalaya. Himadri is also called Great or Inner Himalaya. The second is Himachal, which is the Middle Himalaya. The third is Shivalik, which is Outer Himalaya. So let us see the maps. Let us see the map. Okay, this is the map. Right. So before telling you the map, let me show you how to measure direction in map. Let me show you that. Yeah, there we go. Here. So we form this, and the upper part of the map, the upper part is called north, the lower part is south, the left hand side is west, and the right hand side is east. So this is how according to this we will measure the map. The upper part will be north, the lower part will be south, left hand side will be west, and right hand side will be east. So you see this in the peach color. This is Himalaya from here to here. Let me show you. So from here, which is from west side in the north to east side, it is Himalaya. Okay, from here to, it forms an arc. See, you can see that it is forming an arc, and this is our Himalaya from west from Indus river in the west to Brahmaputra in the east. This is Himalaya, and it has 3 mountain ranges. The first one here, the first one is Himadri. This is Himadri. Okay, this one is Himadri, and the second line is Himachal, and the third line you see here, this one, this is Shivalik. So Himachal lies between Shivalik and Himadri, and the line between both Shivalik and Himadri is Himachal. This is what Himalaya is. So this is Himalaya. Then if we zoom the map, if we zoom it, you can see here that the upper part or the northern part is Himalaya. You see here in white, it is written in black, this part is northern plains, this part is northern plains. Then if we go even lower, we see that this part, this triangle is peninsular plateau. This is from here to here. This is peninsular plateau, and peninsular plateau is divided by Narmada river, which would be here somewhere. It's not here, it's in next map, we will see about that. So this is peninsular plateau. We saw this is Himalaya, the northern part is Himalaya. Then comes in the south of Himalaya is northern plains, and then in the south of northern plains are peninsular plateau. So these are peninsular plateau, and yeah, so those were peninsular plateau. And now if we go even if you go on the edges, these are the coastal areas. Okay, these on the sides are coastal areas. So these are coastal areas. Let me show you. These are the coastal areas. These areas are coastal areas. In these areas we have Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. So these are our coastal areas. And this is Arabian Sea. And here we have Lakshadweep Island. And here we have Andaman Nicobar Island. Here we have Bay of Bengal. And then we have on the west side, you see, on the west side, this is Indian desert. We will read about this too. So these are Indian deserts, and these areas are coastal areas. These areas are coastal areas. Let us erase it. So that was coastal area. So we see that the northern part, this is in the peach color, this is Himalaya. Then in the south of Himalaya we have northern plains. Then in the south of northern plains we have peninsular plateau. Then on the west side we have Indian desert. Then on the edges we have coastal areas. These are the coastal areas. These are the coastal areas. Then we have Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal here, and in Arabian Sea we have Lakshadweep Island, and then we have on Bay of Bengal we have Andaman Nicobar. So these are the main features. These are the divisions of India. We read about Himalaya. In the next video we will see peninsular plateau and other things too. Thank you so much for joining.